guys, it's your girl Coco. Welcome back. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a foundation review. It's the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation. So this foundation contains coconut milk and aloe. It is vegan, dewy finish. It claims to blur imperfections, even out skin tone. It has sheer buildable coverage and it has instant and all-day hydration. So that is the color 580 Tan, and this is what it looks like when I blend it out. Okay, so I am gonna prime my face just because most of the time I do prime anyway. I'm gonna be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. And I'm just gonna use like 2 pumps. And then on my pores, right here, here, and here, I'm gonna be using the No Poreblem primer. This is by Touch and Soul. So, to test out this foundation, I'm going to be doing one side with a sponge and the other side with a brush. So far, I'm feeling a little bit of a texture when I'm like grabbing it from the back of my hand. There's like little beads or something. I don't know what it is. I'm just going to blend that out, and it is sheer, so I'll probably do 2 layers of this. There's literally like residue, like little pieces of something on there, like, I don't know. Oh my god, it looks so flaky. Guys, look at that. What is that? Oh my god. Do you see that? That does not look good. That is not good. It's crazy because like I'll look at myself in the mirror that's further away from me and it looks really good. But then I look up close and I'm like, why the heck does my skin look hella flaky? And I know it's not my skin because like I said, I felt it while I was like grabbing it from my hand. Like that's just so weird. I am not liking this. This is disappointing. Oh, and I forgot to say, this foundation is $13.49, which is a bit pricey for a drugstore, in my opinion. But I'm glad I'm doing this review to save other people from spending that money that could go towards like a $5 or $6 or $7 foundation that works way better. Because at this point, like, I don't even care like how long it lasts or how hydrating it is. Just the fact that I'm applying it and it's like flaky, like what the heck. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side with a brush. Oh no. I feel like it looks worse with a brush. Like, I don't know. I don't even know. I think I'm gonna just zoom you guys in so you can see like the nature of how I'm feeling. I don't know if you can really tell, but this looks pretty bad. I'm not liking it. And it's like, it's an unfortunate thing. I'm sure they just have to like change something in their formula because it just looks so good from far, and like in the spots where there's no flakes, it looks really nice and like flawless and natural looking. You know that sounds so bad, but you know that foundation at Dollar Tree from LA Colors? This is what I feel like it looks like because I've tried it before and it's shed, like literally. Like I feel like because I tried it before and it just flakes on my skin like this. It like doesn't really cover much, and it's just flaky. And I mean, it's more hydrating than that. This one's more hydrating than that one, but at what cost, you know? I don't know, maybe like it just needs to sink in for the the residue is here. It's not moving out. It's here to stay. I don't know what to tell you. Like, I don't even think I can make this work. I don't know. Can I? Can we pull through? I mean, no hate to Covergirl. Covergirl has some good products. But honestly, I don't like it. I really don't. Like, look at what's coming off on my hand. I have no idea what that is. Oh, I completely forgot. I'm doing this side with a brush, but this kind of threw me off. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, I really wouldn't recommend buying this. The residue, like, you see my shirt? It's like full of residue that I'm brushing off. Honestly, it just kind of looks like it's just sitting on top of my skin. I don't know if you can really tell. That's kind of where we're at right now. So I'm just using the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer in the color Perfect Beige under my eyes. But honestly, this foundation just came out, so when foundations are new like that, you have to expect the worst. I don't know, like sometimes you have to expect the worst because they're brand new. This is literally vegan. I don't know if this is their first vegan like makeup product. Guys, I really wanted this to work out. I was so excited. The packaging is cute as fuck. It's called Skin Milk, like skim milk, but skin milk. And I was like, bitch, this is so cute. It's dewy, it's nourishing. That's all I look for in a fucking foundation. But look at this. Like, and honestly, I never look for like super high coverage foundation, because like I have scars, but I don't mind going in with a concealer. But the flakiness and the fact that it evens out your skin tone, but like when you look really close, there's areas where like there's like, it looks like there's like no foundation in some areas. So it looks really, it just, now that I put on the concealer and like the contrast helps me see, the contrast from under my eyes helps me see everything else from far. It's not doing a good job. It's not doing a good job. And honestly, I was gonna do a wear test, but I don't think I am, because I already know it's gonna break down. It's not gonna look good. I'll probably be hydrated all day, but who cares about that when your foundation's all fucking patchy? All right, fucking Patchy the Pirate. Crazy. Honestly, I really like the concealers. The concealers are bomb as fuck. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back, and let's see if we can pull together this look, because I'm feeling a little bit negative. Yeah, I'll see you on the flip side. I'm back. I finished my makeup. Honestly, the foundation looks okay. It's pretty mediocre, to be honest. I feel like most of the work of this look, like the complexion wise, was based on the highlight and contour. That's why it looks pretty good, because most of the foundation is like covered up. Sorry, like piece of hair is like bothering me. But most of the foundations I covered up by concealer and contour. I really like the concealers, so Covergirls still go with that. But that foundation is not it. I would have to say Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk is a flop. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I honestly, like, I got this thinking I was gonna love it. Because I love, like, literally, like, I love dewy foundations, like, tinted moisturizers, all that shit. But I was disappointed. And honestly, the only factor that's affecting it is those little flakes. I have no idea what it is, but I hope they, like, revamp their formula. I know it's a new product, so it's still early on. So maybe they'll redo it, and I'll probably try it again if they come out with a new formula. But as of right now, with this formula, I wouldn't get it again. Honestly, I kind of want to throw it away. But you know, Covergirl, fix this. Because you almost got it, but I don't know if it was like something in the factory or what the heck is going on, but yeah. Next time that I do a foundation review, I'm gonna try to actually do a wear test. I mean, it was fun, you know. Maybe next time it'll work out. Next time. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Tell them about me, you know, okay? Yeah, alright, bye.